Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This video is regarding PMS screening test dilemma. As all of you know, that recently KPPC has announced PMS screening test result, but there was a lot of injustice seen in the current result, as the passing marks of the screening test are as higher as 70, which is not acceptable to the candidate. There are many reasons. Previous time, KPPC has shortlisted candidate on the basis of screening test, and in that test, the passing marks was only 20%. But this time, KPPC has increased passing marks from 20% to 70%. And remember, it is just eligibility test. It is not the test on the basis of which the recommendation would be done. So eligibility criteria is always minimum, so that maximum candidate get the opportunity and try their best to participate in the examination. As all of you know, that in PMS examination there are 12 descriptive paper and 1 interview. After that, the selection is done. But KPPC has created a new formula which is not practicable anywhere in the rest of the provinces or in the federal. As you know, there is no screening test for CSS and for PMS in the Punjab or in Balochistan, while in Sindh there is screening test, but the passing marks is very lower. On the other hand, KPPC has set up passing marks as 70, which is not easily achievable in the MCQs test, which is totally based on cramming date and currencies and capitals of the various type of countries. It is sheer injustice with all those candidates who are preparing for PMS for the last 5 years, while the KPPC has totally rejected the talented candidate who have even qualified PMS and CSS in their previous attempts, and due to low in merit they are not allocated, but they have the ability to qualify it again. But I'm astonished, and it's a strange formula that KPPC has kept such a highly qualified candidate from written examination, as PTI government is claiming that they are promoting youths and they are more interested in the issues of youth. Therefore, I am requesting Honorable Governor KPK Shah Farman, Chief Minister KPK Mahmood Khan, and Information Minister KPK Kamran Bangash that get involved in this issue and try your best to bring this merit from 70 marks up to 40 marks. About 34,000 candidates registered for PMS examination, but only 2,400 will be permitted to sit in the written examination of 12 paper as per the new criteria of KPPSC. Provincial management services jobs are the dream job of each talented candidate. So most of the candidates are preparing from their intermediate, but due to the cruel formula of KPPSC, most of the candidates are not eligible to sit in the written examination. I am requesting all those 30,000 candidates who are not permitted to sit in the written examination to raise their voice and participate actively in the protest on 26 July 10 a.m. in front of Peshawar Press Club. Don't wait for someone other. Just try your best to snatch your right. Try your best to come out in maximum number. With the huge crowd, we will be able to pressurize the PTI government so that we could compel the provincial government to accept our demand and bring the merit from 70 up to 40. As all of you know that the passing marks of all compulsory subjects is 40 and the passing marks of optional subjects is just 33, while overall passing marks of PMS is 50. But how KPPC has decided to screen out candidate acquiring 69 marks? All PMS aspirants of all 5 zones are requested to come to Peshawar on 26 July along with their friends and relatives to make protest successful. It is easily possible to convince KPPC and PTI government with collective efforts. Don't wait for someone other. Nobody will fight for our cause. We will contribute from our own side. It is best opportunity. We will not waste it just because of the dormant attitude of KPPC. Why KPPC is not able to arrange descriptive examination for at least 10,000 candidates? How they have decided to sit only 2,000 candidates in the written examination? It is totally injustice and it shows their incompetence. We need just your support to stand with us, and believe me, we have so much talented and highly qualified candidates and leaders who have the ability to fight. They will fight for us and will surely bring the merit from 70 up to 40. Besides this protest, I will request each aspirant to write more and more on this issue through social media and try to raise your voice on social media and mass media and approach the bureaucracy, political leadership, and relevant officers. If you have some personal resources and relation, please use it for this cause. Try to viral this video by liking, commenting, sharing, and sending it to your PMS aspirant friends. Thank you.